What's the meaning of capsicum? Capsicum. Capsicum.
Capsicum. Capsicum. Capsicum refers to a genus of flowering plants that produce fruits with a spicy or pungent taste. The most common varieties of capsicum are bell peppers, chili peppers, and paprika. These fruits contain capsaicin, which is responsible for their characteristic spicy flavor. Capsicum is widely used in cooking around the world, especially in Mexican, Indian, and Thai cuisine. It is also used in traditional medicine to treat conditions such as pain, inflammation, and digestive issues. Additionally, research suggests that capsaicin may have potential health benefits, such as weight loss and improved heart health.